Okay, I'm gonna show you how to reset your screen. First, you're gonna go to settings. You're gonna go to storage and reset. And then you're gonna click on factory data reset. Then it's gonna ask you if you want to reset. You're gonna click on factory data reset. Click one more time. And then it's gonna ask you if you wanna erase everything. You're gonna say yes, erase everything. Then it's gonna start to reset, turn off, and then this is the part where it's gonna take a couple minutes where it's just gonna start erasing, and then it's gonna come back. So you just have to wait until it returns back to its normal screen. Okay, so as you can see, it's done resetting, and now it came back to its original screen. Now everything has been erased that was used there previously. I'm gonna click on apps, and if you can see, it asks you for a password. The password is 8 times the number 8, so it's 1 2 3 4 5, and then you click OK. And now it's reset, everything's clean. Now if every time you click, it's gonna show up, but after the 5th time, it will not ask you anymore for the password. Okay, so just so you know, I'm gonna click cancel, and it's ready to be used.